The highlight of the past year is probably Area 50 and Area 30.
Carollo Engineers Associate Construction Manager John Harris says these areas have allowed the contractor to utilize more of their sub-trades as they work on electrical work, HVAC systems, and piping within these completed buildings. But another big accomplishment is all the work that has been done on areas where the water is going to be processed.
So the water flows from south to north from the raw water blend tank through the softening reactors, through the green sand filters, and then through the GAC filters.
The two main water sources Brighton has will first meet at the raw water blend tank.
The first portion of our raw water sources are sent through a denitrification process, which will happen on the platform of the raw water blend tank.
The water will then move to the softening reaction, which takes place through a process of the ion exchange to adjust the pH of the raw water source. Then the water will be fed a seed material.
The seed material with the adjusted pH raw water will precipitate the hardness, which is in part manganese, but also in part calcium carbonate. And that precipitation brings the hardness out of suspension in the water and creates a pellet product.
The pellet product will leave the plant in a waste stream, and the softened water will move into the green sand filters.
The green sand filters are a process of the water treatment that will remove primarily manganese.
This is done through a process of absorption in which the manganese will adhere to a green sand media and permanently attach there.
In the GAC contactors, that's granular activated carbon, acts as a filter and filters out the contaminants such as PFAS, PFOA, and other kind of microscopic organisms.
Once the water is through the different filtration processes, it is ready to go out to Brighton residents. But before we are done with this update, let's take a look at the building that will be north of the GAC filtration.
Facing Bromley is the new administration building for the plant. So the admin building will house the main electrical, main control rooms, new laboratory, office and conference spaces for the staff that will operate the facility from the utilities department.